staffing framework for cooperative development officers, local government units, and subject to budgetary availability.
Bayanihan lamang. Heroism saves lives, but resources rebuild communities. Compassion comforts victims, but funding restores livelihoods. Kilos upang makabilis ang relief, rehabilitation. Sa panahon po na sa ating mga infrastruktura, kung passage, immediate adoption of this resolution.
Funding and resources for the communities affected by the recent devastating earthquake from the Senate about in our nation. 68 deaths were reported by the National Security for a while. With the country so bad, lalo na natin nakita ang ating mga resilience should not just be expected from our constituents, which would mean that our infrastructure systems and responses can withstand the wrath of nature. Sinalim na liderato, ang Senate kapag-abot ng paunang tulong ang Senado sa mga pagkagawang komunidad. Subalit alam natin na hindi matatawaran kahit anong ay nawala at ang sakit ng pamilya na binaranas sa
Resolution number 447. In time, most dynamic growth countries. Maraming mga tahanan, paaralan, ospital, kalsada, tulay, mga
action, ang mabilis na action at mabilis po na pag-release ng pondo para po makatulong po sa mga kababayan natin sa mundo. With that, we recognize Senator Rafi Tulfo.
Mr. President, colleagues, I wish today to express my strong support for Senator Joe Villanueva Senate Resolution 447 and 452 concerning the recent protection and protection that they deserve for the continued safety of all our kababayans. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President.
Thank you. The following provisions proviso safety system established under Section 31 of this Act, including standards on governance, financial transparency, member benefit distribution, and actual productive agriculture activities. So moved, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Next one.
Thank you, Mr. President. Another amendment to Senator Villanueva is Section 14, creation of the Bureau of Agriculture Cooperatives. On page 11, lines 22 and 23, delete the proviso and replace it with the following. Provided that the department shall, in coordination with the CBA and concerned